another sad video. I feel like I have another plant that might be dying. So, as I've said in the past couple videos, I just moved. My new environment is a lot colder and a lot drier. And this guy was too close to the window. All of the pseudobulbs turned brown and all of the new growth kind of like rotted off. So the new growth was really healthy and green when we moved here, and now it's just, you know, I had to take it off because it was squishy. So we're gonna try and salvage these pseudobulbs. I have no idea if they're still healthy or not without like cutting into them. We're gonna have to see if we have any roots worth saving. We might not. These pseudobulbs might be dead. I have no idea. Again, the only way I would be able to tell is to cut into them. And I don't really want to do that because I want to be able to save it, and you can't save a pseudobulb that's been cut into. So I'm just gonna kind of try and remove as much of this moss as I can. Can already tell that these longer roots are dead, so I'm just gonna snip them off. These are all dead, they're all squishy, no firmness. Let me see. This is firm. So there are some firm roots. That one's dead. Okay. This is already dead. This is sad. Really sad because this one has really beautiful yellow flowers. It's actually a species orchid. I think that is. And I really wanted some flowers. It was flowering around this time last year, and now it's dying, so that really sucks. Part of life, you kind of have to learn as you go. Okay, this root doesn't seem healthy. None of these roots over here. Oop. It's Rowan sphagnum moss. We're gonna cut all this off. Let's cut it away. Cut all this brown off. This white one's dead too. This is dead. 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 Cut this a little bit more. All dead. This one's dead. Dead. I thought I saw one alive one. Somewhere over here. This is obviously dead. I'm gonna cut that off. This is not fun. I am not happy. I don't know if I just said this or not, but I believe the problem was that I left it way too close to a window. And it was close to a window in my old house, and it was fine, but I don't think it likes the window it was too close to, and it just kind of gave up. This is dead. Where's that one live root? Which one was it? I swear I had one. I think it's this one. This root feels firm. Who knows? I'm not very optimistic. Here's two. This is squishy, 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 squishy. Yep. We'll save those roots. The rest seem really squishy. So yeah, so it has no roots, so that's not fun. That really sucks. But no, I've only really been taking care of orchids for like a little over a year. So I will learn. It's okay. Sucks, but what you gonna do? So these pseudobulbs, this one has a little bit of give to it. This one seems firm all the way down. So who knows? Maybe it's, how about I'm gonna take that little one. Oh, see, this one is rotten. This really sucks. I'm worried that this one's that they're all just rotten. Okay, you know what? I'm probably not even gonna need this. This is hydrogen peroxide and water. This is alcohol with a little bit of hydrogen peroxide and water. We don't need this big container anymore, so we'll just pour it in here. And I'm really just gonna let this sit for like a good while and see if I can disinfect whatever is there. And if the rot hasn't yet spread to these pseudobulbs, which I'm not even sure about this one, they still seem firm, but if the rot hasn't spread to these two pseudobulbs, it's possible that I can get some new growth out of that and maybe some new roots. So I'm just going to monitor it, and right now I'm disinfecting it, getting rid of any bacteria or anything that's in there. So let's hope I can save it. Okay, so we're back. It's been a couple hours. This has been soaking in the hydrogen peroxide and alcohol mix. And I also have this is a mixture of bark, perlite, and sphagnum moss. This has been soaking in hydrogen peroxide and water. So this is completely sterilized. So this is kind of messy. I know it looks kind of gross, but I'm just gonna put it right in here. And we're gonna hope and pray that this thing decides to grow, because I'm really sad. We're just gonna add this to it so it has some thing to sit in. I added the bark chips and the perlite, so just to prevent this type of thing from the future, to prevent further rot. Obviously there is a lot of root rot in this. I don't know what the brown stuff is. I do have another oncidium, or like an orchid related to this type of orchid that has brown pseudobulbs, and it was because it was exposed to the cold, and it's doing fine. It gave me a green pseudobulb this year. But this one, I'm really worried about. Really hope that I can save this one. I just haven't had a lot of luck recently saving orchids, so. And with this move and everything, I just really struggling with my environment and the whole, trying to get them used to the environment. So let's hope that I learn quickly and don't lose any more orchids. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.